Hi guys, once again, it's me, Natalie. Did you know that the microwave oven was an accidental invention? And this is what I am going to talk about today. Invention of the microwave oven. The microwave oven is very popular kitchen appliance all over the world. It is an electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to the electromagnetic radiation in the microwave frequency range. With a simple touch of a button, you can boil water, reheat leftovers, pop popcorn, or defrost frozen meats in mere minutes. And thanks to this very convenient appliance. But who invented the microwave oven? The inventor of the microwave oven is Percy Spencer, an American physicist and inventor. He invented the microwave oven by using radar technology developed after World War II. It's been reported that Percy Spencer invented the microwave when he was testing a magnetron. When he realized that the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, Percy Spencer tested popcorn kernels and noticed that they all popped, and then he put an egg near the magnetron and watched as it started to shake and explode. Percy Spencer discovered that microwaves could cook food faster than conventional ovens that uses heat, and proceeded to file a patent application on the use of microwave for cooking food in 1945, then began selling his invention the following year. And that is how the microwave oven was born. So the next time you wait for those last kernels of popcorn to pop, think about Percy Spencer and the work he did to make our food cook much faster. So that's it guys. Please like, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!